Hello everyone, this is Barkat Khan, founder of Mr. Khan Digital, which is a website development, digital marketing, and AI automation agency in Bangalore, India. So, in this video, we are covering what you need to do after installing WordPress and once you log in. So, there are a few basic settings which you need to do before proceeding with your website development. The first thing is come to post, all post, and there will be a demo post which is taking the space. You can delete this post, and if there is any media you can delete that. And let's come to comments. There will be a comment which I recently deleted. You can also select that and delete as well. Then come to appearance and themes. Here you can select any theme predefined. There will be three themes. You can select anyone. For example, I'm selecting this, and you need to activate this theme. If you want any other theme, you can go to add themes, select any theme from here, install and activate. Your theme will be activated. Then come to plugins. So if you are using Hostinger, by default all these plugins will be activated. So what you need to do is you need to go to add plugins and search for Elementor. So this is a plugin which is a website builder plugin for WordPress, which is most famous. So once you have this plugin, you can design your own custom website, or you can import a theme with pre-built design which is supporting Elementor. So press install now and click activate. Can close this, and yeah, you can see Elementor is present here. Elementor got activated. And let's come back to plugins again. Install plugins, add plugin. Now search for all-in-one WP migration. So this is the plugin which is used to back up your WordPress website files and restore it again. Install that and activate. And click add plugin again. Now search for WP SMTP. So this is the plugin which is used to connect your email for the notifications of any lead or something. So install that and activate it. Go back to dashboard. Yeah, these are all the main basic plugins which you might need. Now let's come back to settings, general. Here you need to give your site title like your brand name, and here you need to give your tagline, and here you need to upload your logo. And this is the admin email where all the website notifications will go. So make sure you add yours, whichever is suitable. New user role. If it is an e-commerce website, then you can select it as subscriber, and you have to select it as anyone can register. If it's not e-commerce, then you don't have to select this. You need to set your time zone. If you are in India, you can select it as plus 5:30, and date format you can select it as date, month and year. Time zone, whatever you feel like, you can select it and save it. Now let's come to reading. So until you develop your website, you can discourage search engines like Google, Yahoo, Bing to not index your website until it's complete. Once it's developed, you can unmark this and save changes. Now let's come to permalinks. This is very important. So by default, you might have any other selected. So make sure you select a post name. So whatever your page name is, the URL will be that. So this is good for SEO purpose, ranking your website on Google. Now let's come to privacy. By default, there will be privacy policy page created, and you can use this page here. That's all for now. Thank you so much. Do subscribe to my channel.